All right, we got a 2009 Mazda RX8 R3. Some of the basics. First, the cooling. We got a coil, a large coil aluminum radiator. We got a AEM cold air intake. BHR coils. We got a vented carbon fiber hood. That was pretty big. I have a new secondary shutter valve, the whole unit in there, as well as the diaphragm and everything. Also replaced the 3 solenoids right over here. It's a very common thing to change. They go bad, but I was still having troubles with my shutter valve. Ended up being that little check valve actually failed. So once I figured that out, did some tests, found out that was actually bad, replaced that, and now the shutter valve is working great. As far as suspension, we have teen fully adjustable coilovers. We got EBC rotors and the yellow pads. We're tuned on Versatuner. We also have a lightweight flywheel in it. This is the R3, so it's got the 4.77 final drive. I combined it with the Series 1 transmission. Gives you a little shorter gear ratios. As far as the exhaust, we have Beat Racing mid-pipe with the HKS single exit catback, and yeah, that's about it. So for the interior, pretty basic. One of my favorite things is the ultra gauge over here. It's very handy. It's got a lot of readings. It's got your exact temperature, IATs, miles per gallons, all kinds of stuff. Yeah.